IGIS, Integrated Geo Instruments and Services Private Limited. The new era of locating yourself. Design, development and production of geoscientific instruments. Authorized dealers for
mapping and geotagging has become very essential. We need to know the size of the land, shape of the land, and so on. So accuracy also is very important. We have meter accuracy with normal GPS, sub-meter accuracy with GNSS receivers, and centimeter accuracy with base and rover concept under correction services applications. Now I'm speaking about our product range, Arrow GNSS receivers, wherein we have a wide range of products from light, 100, 200 and gold. Light is a basic model which will give you to meter and sub-meter accuracy. 100 is a higher end version which gives you sub-meter accuracy and centimeter accuracy subject to you connect it as a rover with a base receiver. And next comes Arrow 200 and gold. In this there is not much of difference between 200 and gold, so I will speak more about Arrow Gold, which can be used as a base receiver as well as a rover, which would give you a correction accuracy of centimeter, less than 6 centimeters if you get connected to say Atlas, or establishing it as a base, and you can use rover using your Arrow 100 or 200 as a rover and get 1 centimeter accuracy at particular location. Now let us speak about Arrow 100. Now we will speak about Arrow 100. Arrow 100 is a beautiful piece which gives you an accuracy of less than 30 centimeters at a particular point, giving you the position accuracy. This can be plugged onto your pole in this way, or use it with a cap antenna. Now let us start the measurements. At this location, the accuracy is 17 centimeters at this particular point. As we all know, now he is acting as a pole and the antenna is here. With an accuracy of 17 centimeters, it is giving an accuracy here. And now let us start the mapping application here. Agriculture mapping is a challenge. For example, now if you see, I want to know the size of the land here. When I need to know the size of the land, the first thing is I should get a sub-meter accuracy or a centimeter accuracy to get a better sizing of the land. At the same time, I should be in a position to walk around and take the locations accordingly. But in this case, if you see, we cannot walk around. It's a challenge. Here, offset mapping plays a vital role. Here, what we are doing is we are bundling up, clubbing up, pairing both laser rangefinder with Arrow receiver and mapping the entire area. If you see, my colleague would be triggering the corners of the location and take the size of the location now. He has taken 2 points, now this is the third point. The more the number of points you take, the better the accuracy we get of the size of the land. Now we are trying to take the maximum number of coordinates to get a better shape of the land, and this will help us to give a proper size and the acreage of the land. Now we are done with the shape of the land. Here is the shape of the land. This is the area of the rice farm. And we are here with the size of the land. This is now the area is 905.70 meter square, that is nothing but 0.22 acreage. Okay, now let us save this particular file, which can be saved in multiple formats of our choice. It's simple. File can be mailed instantaneously through the cloud. Now mapping becomes very simple. Converting your mobile phone, either it might be Android, Apple or Windows, pair it with your Arrow 100 for a centimeter accuracy, less than 30 centimeters accuracy, and synchronize it with the laser rangefinder 300 series or so, and simply map the things within a short span. Here we are with the total details of the been collected in the field. Shape of the land, size of the land, coordinates of the each and every location in the less than 30 centimeters accuracy, and the same file can be saved in multiple formats as mentioned and mailed through cloud networking. Hey guys, what are you looking for? For a better accuracy, go in with Arrow 100, which gives you less than 30 centimeter accuracy, pairing it with the laser technology products, and map the total area within a small given time, and it's very easy to operate and simple to operate.